This is a 22mm with f2. This is a built-in microphone. Yes, I'm using the built-in microphone of the Canon M6, and I'm using a 22mm f2. And I don't know. I think it's f2 because I'm using the 4K auto. If you're recording in 4K auto, there is no aperture shutter priority. So I'm just handling the camera. 22mm f2 is standard stabilization. If you turn on the standard stabilization, there will be 1.1 crop. Yes, you heard me right. There will be 1.1 crop with the standard stabilization. I'm using the Ulanzi MT-16 handle. Xbox Legend. This is with the standard stabilization. If I use the enhanced stabilization, it will crop around 1.43, which will be a lot of the crop. So the crop will be quite severe. So I'm going to use that one. Standard stabilization, I'm using Ulanzi MT-16. I hope I'm looking nice. I can vlog with it. Don't worry, I'm going to turn off the stabilization. Also, I'm going to turn on the enhance. Let me take this, a portrait profile built-in microphone. Can you focus? I don't think so. Okay. Let me take. I love my Canon G9X. Come on. Okay. I think that's enough. Standard stabilization. I want to test the built-in microphone. Normally, I just use the small tiltable microphone from Audio Technica or Sermonic. Standard stabilization, built-in microphone. This is the enhanced stabilization. It's quite stable, but the video quality is a little bit degraded. Plus, there is a huge 1.43 crop. What do you think? I'm using Ulanzi MT-16. So Ulanzi MT-16 Selfie Stick I'm using with it. Auto ISO. This is a low light test with 22mm f2. And now let me just turn off all of the stabilization. This is with no stabilization, so 22mm will remain 22mm. But worry not, there's a little bit trick. If you don't want to use the digital stabilization, maybe you can use auto level, which also improve the footage. I really like this one, and I really love my Canon M6 Mark II 22mm f2. I really love the combo. Let me just grab a quick video. This one cannot it's 1-inch sensor f2, but still it's very dark out here, so the footage will be quite grainy. Now let me turn on the auto level. So now the auto level is on. Is there a difference? If you turn on the auto level, you cannot use the digital or enhanced stabilization. Maybe there's some light here. I can record some footage. Okay, I don't know where I am. So let me know in the comment section box below, what do you think about it. It was me, Ramey. Gmail, my pen name. So this one is auto level on it. If I hold from the grip, this is I hold it from the grip, and this is with the Ulanzi MT-16. Let me just try to get into a little bit dark area so you can understand the real darkness. This is a built-in microphone. This time I really don't want to use the external microphone. So now it's dark. I think I have to say bye to you. Subscribe and bye.